Hello everyone, this is Kesav. I have secured All India Rank 312 in the recent UPSC CF examination. Welcome to the fourth part of the expected topics list. But in this video, I'll be talking about the list of evergreen topics for paper 2. And I have identified these topics which are often repeated in paper 2 and which are also frequently asked by UPSC in various other exams where essay is an important part. So you must have for the points related to these topics so that it will like smoothen your essay writing in your exam. And I'll also try to upload the further points related to these topics in our Telegram channel. So I have identified these 9-10 topics which are frequently asked. So you must have data, facts and news regarding these topics. So first one is like agriculture and farmer related issues are very important. So you must have datas related to the agriculture and I have uploaded a compilation of datas where you will find them and in GS3 section. And then second one is healthcare in India, its challenges and solutions, and challenges related to primary healthcare system in India. And you must remember those data like bids per 1,000 patient. These data are very important. And then third one is women empowerment issues, steps taken and solutions, like various committees related to these, like various legislations which are in force, like such as POS Act, and recently there was Nari Vandan Adhiniyam 106 Constitutional Amendment Act was also. And then fourth one is social media and its evils, and like how social media is radicalizing our youth. What are the negatives of the social media? What is misinformation, disinformation and fake news campaigns? So you must have data related to this and have a strong hold on this topic so that you can easily write your essay in the exam hall. And fifth one is education system in India. What is the major issues with the education system in India, like privatization of education, and what are the components of the new education policy? What is the role of vocational education? So there are various other also dimensions related to this education in India. And then sixth one is tourism in India, and what are the tourism policy of India, how India's tourism policy is helping to achieve our goals. And there are various other like medical tourism, ecotourism. So just go through with this. And what are the hindrances that are coming in booming of our tourism industry, and the recent attack on tourists on Pahalgam attack. So in that regard also you should prepare this topic, tourism in India. Then seven one is climate change and climate and combating efforts. What are the mission life, Panchamrit of India, when is India going to become net so just prepare on all of these topics. And then eighth one would be globalization and reverse globalization. And ninth one is India's relations with its neighbors and what are the various platforms on to deal, like SARC versus BIMSTEC, India and Bangladesh relation, which was recently in news as it is getting strained. And then Indus Water Treaty, that India has announced abeyance of Indus Water Treaty. So just prepare all these topics, like prepare India's relation very comprehensively, as it has been asked various times, like India Maldives relation, India Nepal relation, and what are the impact of China's post diplomacy in India's neighborhood, and India's neighborhood first policy, and string of pearls, etc. So try to have a good amount of data, facts and news regarding all these topics. So these are the topics which I think are evergreen and they can be asked frequently by UPSC. So prepare proper amount of order points on these topics. Thank you.